It starts with a vision, a dream and a plan, shaped by experience and built by hand. From the heart of our shop to the heart of your home, we create something beautifully your own. The Village Collection, crafted with pride, the finest cabinetry made for your life. Timeless in beauty, exceptional too, designed with passion especially for you. Quality lives in each detail and line, built by our craftsmen to stand the test of time. The Village Collection, where craftsmanship shines, beautifully yours for a lifetime.
August 19th, 2026. Marty here at the Village Collection. We are looking at, let's see, the laundry area right now for the 23rd Street project. And this is beautiful paint grade. You can see it's with the poplar frame on the doors. What's really cool, it's not just a regular standard shaker door. It's actually got this bevel, which I think adds a really nice look, but also if you want that kind of shaker look, but you don't want that hard edge, this is really nice for just, keeping clean for one thing, but I think it's a very, very handsome look. What we're looking at right now is, if you look at the elevation right here, we're looking where the sink goes. So we're looking at the base cabinets and the uppers. And so this, it's kind of like a farm style sink's gonna fit right here. And then we have 3 drawers flanking it on both sides, and everything for this project is premium grade. So you're looking at solid maple dovetail drawers on the soft close slides. Also, all the interiors are the pre-finished maple, and again to premium grade standards. So 3/4 inch construction everywhere, and we also have the Axolo feet for adjusting the height. Any place where a cabinet meets a wall, floor, it will be extended 1 inch so that you can get a perfect scribe to the finished floor and the finished wall. I'm going to move on over to the other side where we have the upper cabinets. So right here we have the upper cabinets that go right above where that sink is, and again we have the pre-finished maple interior adjustable shelves. We've test fit all of them, make sure our holes are aligned perfectly. Also, you can see all the reveals. Everything's been adjusted to perfect tolerance here in the shop. Now, once you get it installed and things move, you might have to adjust a little bit. Ralph will be sending out a packet with our install instructions and links to our videos and other things as far as the hinge and drawer slides, so that you can finely tune those. But again, extended finished style here, and this finished end is extended 1 inch so that it could be scribed perfectly to the wall. And we'll move on to the washer dryer section. Okay, so on this elevation here, you got the washer and dryer, and then we have these 2 sections right above that. And that's what we're looking at right here. So these are lift up doors, and this is really kind of a cool feature. So the doors, they lift up real nice there, and then you have the pull outs that slide out, and this is like little drying racks that you can hang things on. The dowels do come out, but they're perfectly notched in place, and that's inside both of these sections right here. Okay, now we're going to go over to the refrigerator wall next. Okay, so here we are. We're looking at where the refrigerator goes. We have the base cabinets and the uppers. And I'll start out with the base cabinet, finished side going to the refrigerator, and the same Axolo feet on that. These are pull-outs here, which actually have the hampers inside, and you have your canvas bag for that, and the soft close drawer slides. And you'll get that on both sides. And your drawers, just like everywhere else, solid maple dovetail on the soft close. This is the upper cabinet that goes directly above the base cabinets here. And you can see it's notched for whatever the soffit is that's in the ceiling. And the doors conceal that soffit when it's closed, and then you have the adjustable shelves down below. And then we come around to this side, and this is actually the upper cabinet that goes above the refrigerator. And same thing, it's notched for the soffit, and you have the adjustable shelf inside. Everywhere, again, you know, extended styles for wherever it meets the wall. I'll show you over here, we have the soffits and the toe kick skins, and then the rest of the shelves, everything here is ready to go. We do have the mudroom cabinet, which I think I included in the intro video. The mudroom's about done. Actually, it is complete. We're just waiting for the fronts. They should be here any day, and we'll shoot that out as soon as they get here. And the kitchen is well underway, so we should have an update on that and sometime next week, knowing exactly where that's going to land. So anyways, this is what I got to show for you right now. We're getting this loaded up, and I believe it's going to land on the job site tomorrow. When you get to the install process, make sure that you study those shop drawings really closely. If you have any questions, don't ever hesitate. Just give Ralph a call. He's been installing or been around cabinets for 4 decades. He can guide you pretty much with any question that you might have. And I think that's about all I have for you today. And thank you for watching, and thank you for the business. And can't wait to show you more of your cabinets real soon.